Your system is down, and every minute that passes results in lost production and lost profits. We understand that you cannot afford to be down. That's why your first call should be to Phoenix Pumps. We are ready to respond 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, to get you back online fast. Guided by the legacy of our founder, Don Vise, we strive to provide dedicated service to our customers. With factory-trained service technicians, experienced with a wide array of rotating equipment, encompassing many industries, we are able to provide the highest level of production and maintenance expertise. It's not just about fixing the problem, it's about getting it done right. It is our goal to be your partner, foreseeing unplanned outages before they happen. We have been devoted to advancing equipment reliability for over 30 years. We provide many different services to troubleshoot and prevent failures, such as vibration analysis and laser alignment. As a licensed contractor, we offer complete turnkey services, including field repairs, replacements, alignments, and planned maintenance. Our customer insurance policy is underscored with an industry-leading 1-year warranty, covering both our products and services. The ultimate in peace of mind is our quality assurance. Phoenix Pumps takes standards of excellence to the next level. We are factory authorized to handle pumps from the industry's leading brands, such as ITT Gold's Pumps, Flowway, Wilden, Viking, Sulzer ABS, and many more. Customer satisfaction with the highest standards for safety define what Phoenix Pumps is all about. We invest in safety training programs and equipment for our service technicians to make sure we keep our technicians safe at both our facility and yours. The Phoenix Pumps field service repair team can do any job, all the way from installation and startup to complete pump retrofits to OEM quality rebuilds. Let us keep your rotating equipment running and in production. Rain or shine, day or night, under any condition, we will be by your side.
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
I'll be there.
We will be there by your side. Phoenix Pumps. Contact us to learn more about how you can reduce equipment downtime.